Good day, everyone. Today I want to talk about something incredibly important. Believe in yourself is simple yet powerful idea can change your life. Believe in yourself and you can accomplish any task successfully. This message is for those who doubt their abilities and think they cannot achieve anything in life. If you embrace this belief, all your negative thinking will end and positive thinking will take its place. You can achieve anything you set your mind to, even something as challenging as speaking fluent English. Many of us struggle with self-doubt. We often think, I can't do this, or I'm not good enough. But the truth is, you are capable of far more than you realize. When you believe in yourself, you unlock your true potential. Imagine you're facing a mountain. If you stand at the base and think, I'll never make it to the top, then you're likely to give up before you even start. But if you believe in yourself and say, I can do this, you'll find the strength to climb higher than you ever thought possible. This is not just about achieving big dreams. It's about taking small steps every day. Start with a positive mindset. Tell yourself, I believe in myself. With this belief, you can learn new skills, overcome challenges, and achieve your goals. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to believe in yourself. Practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because they are opportunities to learn and improve. Immerse yourself in English by watching movies, listening to songs, and speaking with others. Set realistic goals and celebrate your progress. Use language learning apps to make learning fun and interactive. Remember, your belief is your strength. When you believe in yourself, the world opens up to you. No obstacle is too big, no dream is too far. So start today. Take that first step with confidence. Embrace the power of believing in yourself and watch how your life transforms. You have the power within you to achieve great things, including mastering English. Believe in yourself and make your dreams come true. Moral believing in yourself is the key to unlocking your true potential. When you have faith in your abilities, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. Advice: stay positive and persistent. Practice regularly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Immerse yourself in the language and set realistic goals. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to success.